Okay, it just got here. Second time. And I can tell that the box has already got lots of damage to the lid. You can hear the... But let's open it. Oh, look. Here's all that foam I was talking about before. Try to do this one here. See this? Look. There's 3 bolts. Studs, whatever. Please don't have any broken pins. Yay. Leave the piston in there. Yay, all the fins are there. There's the piston, wrist pin. All that stuff was missing in the last one. But look at the... See what this goes through? Here's a nut. I wonder how many of the stuff is missing. Hey. 2 more nuts down in here. There's 3. Thank God we got some piston rings with this one that aren't broke. Oh my God. Look at that jacked up head gasket. How am I supposed to use that? So, it comes with the spark plug. There's another. Look at the... Alright, hang on one second. I gotta get this. Look at this head gasket. That is gonna seal so good. So the keepers and the wrist pin. But I don't see I don't see the bearing for the wrist pin. Oh, here it is over here. Fell out. See, because none of this stuff was with the other one. This wasn't in there. These weren't in there. These weren't. This wasn't. Half of these were gone. Which, it's amazing they didn't come out of this box, because the way it was freaking opened over here. Unreal. You guys got to find a better way to pack this crap. I don't think I can use that head gasket. Base gasket looks great. Head gasket. I don't think so. I think I'd rather use the old one. Another shipping fail. Whatever. At least the fins are all there. The last one, this fin right here was busted off. One of the biggest ones and the main ones. But up on top of the engine, so there's no hiding it. My Zing Zhao spark plug. Okay, at least all the parts are here, but still. Oh, that's gonna seal like a son of a bitch. Oh, I can't wait to see. This is crazy. $100 frickin' dollars.